this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the size of your slides in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you want to make your slides smaller, bigger, or even set them to certain custom size, you can simply do this in Google Slides. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on File here, and then scroll down until you see this option called Page Setup. Now under this, you'll be able to see your current screen size or slide size, and you can see currently I'm using the widescreen, which is 16:9, and I'd like to go ahead and change this slide to a different size. So if you click on it here, you can see we have quite a number of sizes you can choose from. We have standard, we have these two widescreen, which is 16:9 and also 16:10. Choose any of them and then click on apply. You can also go ahead and customize this to your preferred slide size. And for instance, we can go ahead and set it, maybe we want portrait size, and I can set it to 1080. And first, before you set that, go ahead and click on pixels if your measurement is in pixels. So I'll change to 1080 by 1920. This is the standard pixels for portrait size. And now if you click on apply, you can see this would change all the sizes of all the slides in our presentation. So that's how you can change slide size in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.